your voice clearly.
Okay.
So better next time onwards you can follow this system only.
Okay.
So this is your software, all of you observe here, because after that I'm not going to share your screen to guide all those things next time, okay? Because every time it is taking time to guide. So here, this is your flight application. I'm giving shortcut key. This step, Saima, I will do it in your system. Checkpoints concept, for that only that software is required. Remaining all you can work it with the flight application.
Okay.
That's not a problem. So once it's get open, then you just message me, Sakshi.
Okay.
Now, Sajanya, share your screen. Where is that window? Yeah, Oracle Watch. Except Sajanya. Yeah. Yeah,
And
open
here
that
are
one.
the checkpoints.
Okay. Now give me the controls to me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So this is your Oracle Virtual Box. So background color yellow, you changed it. Is it visible for you clearly all the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, I'm having a control. You don't do anything.
I'm not doing anything, ma'am.
Okay.
That software is not opening. Mine.
Which software? It's getting ready, right? What window is open?
HP Quick Test Professional. That's it.
It's getting ready. It will, first time it will take time.
Okay.
So whenever this strip is open, you can close like this. I think Uma, your system is done. Right? Yeah. All of you can make mute by your end.
Ma'am, it got open. It's open now.
Yeah, okay. I'm coming back. Click on show my screen.
Okay.
Uma, some background noise I'm getting there. Will you please make it mute? Yeah. Now it's fine. Just make it this. Okay, I'll do. So this is your QTP. Make it small size. This is your application. You can use this application in QTP. Okay?
Okay.
And as you know, direct turn off you should not do.
Yeah.
The proper direct to close you should not do. Proper turn off is required.
Yeah.
See, when it's getting searching, once the search option is completed, then just copy and paste it in your computer, Windows XP, okay, where QTP is available, as I did all the time, right? You just remember that one. Searching option is once it's completed, then you do.
This
Is
we
it
have to
clear?
do every time?
No, only with this time only. I'm
Okay.
downloading the file here, okay? Not
Okay.
every time. So it's once it's done, you can do it. Double click it, one folder will, okay, I will do it later. Let it be. So you don't do anything, I already did. Okay, your
Okay.
checkpoints and file, everything is done here. So
Okay.
you just easily use your system, okay?
Okay.
Fine. Now next,
Thank you.
Saujanya, share your screen. Yeah. Saujanya, share your screen. Saujanya, I'm having a controls, you don't do anything. So with this today, all the systems except Saima, is everyone's systems is done except Saima?
Yes.
I sent him a message and he said,
What he said?
wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Please send us the team viewer detail and we will rectify the issue at 11:30 a.m. Oh, 11:30
Do you have
a.m.
TeamViewer?
Team viewer details and
Yeah.
we will rectify the issue at 11:30 a.m. CDT today. 11:30 is almost.
After the class, you send, ask them to do.
Okay.
So this is your QTP. Saima, QTP flight, everything is there in your system. You can practice coming classes, all the topics you can practice except one topic called checkpoints. For that, that software has to be downloaded in your system.
Okay.
Oh, something wrong. So checkpoint file is ready, and so this is your QTP. So every day you can use. So make it small size and you can use. Okay, Saujanya, your system is also successfully done. Okay, only
Okay, ma'am.
Saima
Thank
is
you.
left. Yeah, you're welcome, dear. Saima, just click on show my screen. I will see QTP and flight application is installed successfully or not. Yeah. Give me the controls to me. Open the Oracle VirtualBox. Not this window, another window. Before this window, another window is there, na? Yeah. Saima, wait. Why you are opening this Skype? Close this Skype. Yeah. Open a Qt. This also minimize it. Minimize this one. Qt Pro is there, na? Double click on it. Yeah. Double click on it.
I did. Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Saima, you are not giving the controls to me. Wait.
How I give you? I can't see any.
Okay, okay. Leave your system. I'm having a controls now.
Okay. I think it's slow.
Your system making me trouble. Someone is using laptop speakers. Okay, your software is also installed. Minimize this QTP. Windows XP or Windows 7 you have to use Saima instead of Mac.
He installed Windows
Yours
XP
is Mac,
in my
right?
Mac.
Yours is
I
Mac,
don't
right?
have other computer.
Oh, you don't have other one. Okay, okay. Okay, let it be. You can learn all those things. So your QTP is installed successfully. You can use now.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Because you're unable to give the controls to minimize and all. Are you using headsets? Did you remove the headset?
No.
I'm getting some echo problem. Speakers, maybe you on the speakers. Close that speakers.
No, I don't have speakers. They are installed in there.
Your laptop speakers.
Yeah, they are off.
Okay then, no problem. You can make it mute. That problem will be resolved. Yeah, all of you click on start recording button.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, let's start the session. So Saima, your system is also done. Only checkpoints file is not ready. You ask your concerned person, they will do it. Okay.
Okay.
Rest of the things are done in your computer also.
Okay. Thank you.
Fine. So let's start the session. Recording modes. Basically, there are three types of recording modes. There are three types of recording modes are there. One is normal recording mode. Next one, low level recording mode. Next, analog recording. Normal, low level and analog recording mode. There are three types of recording modes are there. Now let's see. What is normal recording mode, how it is working in detail I am going to explain you. So every tester is going to use only normal recording mode in the company, not low level and analog. So normal or context sensitive recording mode. Both are same. So what is normal or a context sensitive recording mode means? Let's see. So it is just nothing but you are with the help of record and playback, you are going to follow this normal recording mode. All of you can make recording by your end. Don't forget to record, because after the topic completed you can practice by your end. So it is used to record the task on standard environment based projects or supported projects. Supported projects means licensed. Licensed projects by using record and playback means record and run. So normal recording mode or a context sensitive recording mode means companies are going to follow only this mode only. Company will follow only this mode called normal recording mode, just by using record and playback. So giving the internal settings, see, just observe here. So this is your QTP, the one which is installed. So this is the flight application. This is your QTP. So keep the tool under, first go to automation, record and run settings. Windows, apply and OK. Then keep the tool under recording mode. So you are activating, you have entered username as Vidya, password as Mercury, and you clicked on OK button. So this entire process we are calling it as a normal recording mode. Using record and playback, you are performing task on supported environment based projects. Supported environment means the project which has the license. Visual, this is the Visual Basic Technology project which has the free license in QTP to test, so you can work on it. So this is only known as normal recording mode. Using record and playback, all the supported environment projects we can work on it. In general, we are following only this mode. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes.
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 Fine. Now just record and playback. Once you hit the run button, it is getting playback, means execution process is going on. This is called normal recording mode. Then what is low level recording mode? Let's see. It is one special recording mode provided by QTP. Provided by QTP. It is used to perform the task on non-supported environment based projects. Now you tell me, dear, what do you mean by non-supported environment based projects?
Which projects don't have license?
Simple point. It is used to perform the
Projects
task
which
on.
don't have license.
Yeah, that's correct. non-supported environment. Saima, are you on the floor? Yes? Means
Yes.
the projects? Yes.
Yes.
The project? Okay. So non-supported environment based projects, which is used to perform the task on non-supported environment based projects. But we will get some minimum operations only. Minimum operations only. Means complete task, complete result. It says task is done, but complete task you can't see it. So for this, let's have an example. So it is nowhere useful for companies, the software companies test engineers team. Then who will use means client. If client wants to know where exactly the application stands for, what's the status of the project, if client wants to know, client is going to use, or a third party. Client may ask some third parties to check. For them, it is used. So that is called non-supported. Example, it is nowhere useful. Just for your knowledge sake, non-supported, that is nothing but a low level and analog I am explaining you. Example, so this is one paint application which is not going to support it. It's not a supported project. Supported project means what? For this, there is no license in QTP. That is called non-supported. Okay, non-supported projects means no licensed. So how this application will works means keep the tool under recording mode. Then go to here, go to insert, sorry, go to automation, click on low level recording mode, click on it. Now QTP is under low level recording mode. See, I'm doing one task here. I'm doing one picture here. Now I'm stop recording. So complete picture it never gives you. Even though all the script lines are created, only minimum actions. So here, just read it. QTP, here low level recording mode means it is a special recording mode provided by QTP. It is used to perform the task on non-supported projects. But we will get minimum operations. See, when I hit the run button, see, only single line, one simple line is given, but not complete task. But not complete task. See. Again I'm hitting the run button. Complete picture it is not giving. Why? Because this paint application is a non-supported project. Nowhere useful for testing team. Client is going to use if required only. This is just for your knowledge sake. Is that clear all of you?
Yes.
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 Fine. Fine team. Now next. Analog recording mode. With the steps in my notes it is there. Navigation is there in my notes. You can check it out. Okay. Analog recording mode. It is also one special recording mode provided by QTP. It is used to perform the task on non-supported. Here, it is used to perform the task on non-supported and supported environment based projects, but on one condition, or but only one condition it will works. That is called continuous operation. Like signatures, painting. So it can be work for supported and non-supported. But that operation is continuous operation. So here, let's see. Like signatures is the best example. Keep the tool under recording, Windows, apply and OK. Now go to automation, click on analog recording mode. Here first option is there, record relative to the screen. If you select this first option and record relative to the screen, remember the point, record relative to the screen. Click on start analog recording. Now I'm picturizing. Earlier it is non-supported, now also it is non-supported. But it is analog recording mode, not normal low-level recording. Now stop recording. Earlier only single line is given. Now let's see. I'm taking the new one. Now I'm hitting the run button. Let's see what happening. Complete picture it is providing. So this is called what? This is only known as analog recording mode. That to record relative to the screen. What do you mean by record relative to the screen? Means if you change the position of the application here. Now hit the run button, it says task is done. But it will search. It will search in this location only. See. No picture is given. See. Just QTP identification I am telling you here. With the help of analog recording. How QTP will recognize. So if you say QTP to record relative to the screen means you have to make the application on that screen on that position only. Then hit the run button, it will work. If you change the position, it won't work. If you change the position, it won't work. See. So this is a drawback. Keep on, I can't remember where exactly I opened the application. To overcome this problem in QTP, now it is providing one more option. So what is that option? Means record relative to the following window. See. Keep the tool under recording, apply and OK. Same thing, automation, analog recording mode. Here the option is record relative to the following window. Click on hand icon, click on title. Based on the title it will recognize. Click start analog. See. Stop recording. Even if you change the position also it will work. See. Earlier it doesn't work. Now it will work. See. So this is called what? This is only known as analog recording mode. Record relative to the following window. Is that clear? Yes, team. Only you have to practice and first option is important.
Yes.
Only this low level recording is important out of these three. You have to practice this. Okay. For this I will show you the navigation. Because for all no need. Just first step, go to automation.
Vidya, I have one question.
Mhm.
This analog recording does not generate a script, or this is the paint and brush, that's why it's not generating the
It
script.
won't generate. It is generated, Nadia. Script is generated. This is script only.
Okay, because this is the paintbrush, that's why whatever we are doing is not. If there is any other software or any other build, then it works.
No, it won't work. Not only paint. It is a non-supported application. It is.
Yeah, if instead of paint and brush, any other non-supportive thing is there, then then the script will generate like whatever we do in the flight reservation, everything line by line.
Low level recording mode, line by line script will be given, but minimum task only gives in the application. Analog recording mode, only continuous operation, signature and painting. That's it.
Okay.
Not other than this.
Okay. Thank you
Okay,
very much. Yeah.
fine.
Thank you.
So record and run settings. So after that, what you're doing? Click on record button, normal recording mode. So here, this is your application. First you went to automation, record and run settings, Windows application, first radio button, apply and OK. So that is the step you did already. Here record and run settings. Okay, here I will write it, all the steps. Record and run settings, select Windows application. In that, select record and run on. On any open window basically. Click apply and OK. Then click on record. Perform the task on application. Stop recording. Then run it. These are steps is navigation. It is there in my notes. Just this is the first recording mode. Na? All the time we are going to use. Just follow these steps and do it. With this, one concept called recording modes is done. Now let's see. Very important concept called object repository. Team, you have to practice day by day. We are not practicing every day, you will feel new. So with this, today you got a software, application, everything is there in your computers. Now you can start practicing. So till now, whatever checkpoint I have given, except that you can work on it. That class not yet started, especially Saima. So everything is there in your system. You can start practicing. Okay. That checkpoint file only not there in your computer. Object repository. So what is object means? It is something. Object is something which has structure. It contains properties and values. Object is something which has structure, which contains properties and values. Your fan is object, your mobile is one object, your headset is object, your computer is object, especially you are object, I am also object. So which has some structure which contains properties and values. Example, object is with, I am object. I am having some properties and values. So what are all those properties means? See. So object is Vidya. Vidya contains some properties and values. Name is a property. Value is Vidya. Address 1 is property. Value is USA. Address 2 is property. Value is India. Phone number is a property. Value is so and so. Fax number is property. Value is so and so. Like this, This is a rough data I'm giving. So properties and values. Vidya is object. Object contains some properties and values. What is the use of these properties and values? What is the use of this information? Saima, Sakshi, Uma.
These values and properties are used in our application test data for testing data and
My name. I'm talking about only this.
we get to know about you, your information.
Yeah. So if you want to identify me, you require this information. If you want to know who I am, with the help of this information, you will get to know. Okay. So that is called properties and values. In the same way, in application also. So this is the application. Title is one object. Agent name object. Okay, cancel help. All are objects which real exists. These are all objects only. So which contains some properties and values. Example, okay is a button. Here. Object is okay button. Okay button which contains some properties and values. See. Text is okay. Native class is win button. X-axis is 116. Some y-axis is example only 119. Width is 120. So for this OK button, these are all properties and values to identify. Exact OK button to identify to QTP, these properties and values are useful. Is this clear all of you?
Yeah.
Where you will get it later. First, what is object means it is something which has which has structure which contains some properties and values. Saujanya, Archana.
I got it, ma'am.
Good. Uma, Saima.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Fine. Now what is repository means? It's a memory location. Or storage location. Memory or a storage location. What is object repository means? It's a storage.
It's a storage location with some properties and values
Very
of
good.
an object.
Yeah. It's a storage location where object related information like properties and values will be stored. Will be stored. So object repository is a storage location where object related properties and values. Now come back to your first concept. Here what I said, record overview means once we hit the record button, what action we are doing on the application, action related VB script will be generated on test pane. Some more information will be stored in object repository. That some more information is nothing but this properties and values. These properties and values will be stored. Where I said here. Properties and values will be stored. So it's a memory location. It acts as an interface between application and QTP. Without having any information in this object repository, QTP will not identify the object. Okay. See, this is the application. This is go to resource object repository. So this is the object repository. So how it is getting added? So keep the tool under recording mode. When I am activating, see, information is adding. Script is generated. I have entered username. I have entered password. I clicked on cancel button. So here script is generated, information is stored. So this object repository is the memory location where object related information will be stored. So between the application and QTP, it is an interface. Without having any information, when you hit the run button, it won't work. Example, password, I deleted it. If I hit the run button, let's see. It says password object was not there in the object repository. See. So this is called object repository. So types of object repository. On Monday we will discuss. Today your homework is normal recording mode. You have to practice. This recording mode you have to practice. I'm going to ask some questions on this normal recording mode. Only one concept I'm giving. If you understand normal recording modes, QTP is very, very easy to you. Only this concept you have to practice. Is that clear, all of you? On Monday, I'm going to ask some questionnaires. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. I'm sending a notes to you people. Just check it out. Is everyone got the QTP part 1 notes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now updated class notes only I'm sending. You can check it out and practice today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So as you know, Saturday, Sunday, no classes. Please practice whatever things you can do. So on Monday, you can ask your doubts, queries. I will clarify it. Okay? If you are not, you are facing the problem of connection of the QTP and all, I will see why it is not working.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, team. With this, today I'm ending up the session. Saima, ask them to resolve the problem. Okay?
Okay.
Okay then. Bye bye, team.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Vidya.
Bye, team. Yeah, bye, dear.